To celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Master of G Frogman model, G-Shock has released a brand new amphibious watch with strong ties to the original DW6300 diver. I'm super excited to get my hands on the G-Shock Poison Dart Frogman. This watch has a lot of character, and its inspiration, the poison dart frog found rarely in the Amazon rainforest, was a great choice. This multicolored look and vibrant inspiration have leapt the Frogman right into my attention, and the stellar aesthetics don't end there. First off, this watch has some size. Lug to lug, it measures 56.7mm with a width of 51.7mm. Its height is 19.7mm, so it's a bigger, thicker watch, but it doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable. G-Shock has used a relatively new process for randomly laminating carbon and coloured glass fibres in this watch's bezel, and that means that just like the Poison Dart Frog, every one of these watches is going to be slightly different. The contrast of red, blue and black will of course always be present, and you can see the kind of statement this colourway makes. Sections of translucent urethane add the finishing touches to a captivating first impression. The resin strap has been printed with speckles of polarized ink that shift colour depending on the light or angle you view it. This effect seems to transition from white to purple pink and adds yet another point of difference for this brand new G-Shock. Turn the timepiece around and you'll see another fun detail, the iconic Frogman character with a Poison Dart Frog makeover. But let's move on to the specs. You might have noticed that G-Shock has continued with its analog reimagining of the Frogman line. This is a change that some have enjoyed and others have been unsure about, but even without the digital screen, this diver has some serious power. It features 2 dual time subdials and a day of the week complication paired with a diving log and tide point setter. An ISO 200m water resistance and carbon core guard keep this G-Shock well protected, while a radio controlled movement offers excellent accuracy when you're in range of stations across Asia, Europe and the US. If you aren't in range, don't worry, because this timepiece will stay accurate to a respectable plus or minus 15 seconds per month. There's a lot to love about the Poison Dart Frogman, and there's no doubt it's a worthy limited edition update for a classic Master of G diver.